Recitation 2. We do not agree with public respondent that private respondent was denied due process on the ground that he was not formally investigated by the hotel or by the investigator of the Department of Tourism regarding the reported losses. The records clearly show that petitioner fully complied with required notice and hearing prior to the dismissal of private respondent. At least three chances to explain the reported losses. The investigation reports reflect the private respondent was invited on two occasions to shed light on the complaint received from the Japanese guest of the hotel. Private respondent did not appear in said investigation, nor did he submit in a written explanation to the investigator exculpating himself from the charges. Finally, petitioners itself notified private respondent of the result of the investigation conducted by the two investigators. He was required to explain, but private respondent did not take heed. He persisted to remain silent as a sphinx. These established facts believe the finding the private respondent was denied due process before he was dismissed. Time and again, we have stressed that due process is simply an opportunity to be heard. Private respondent was given more than ample opportunity to defend himself. He chose not to use his opportunities. In belated effort, private respondent tried to explain why he was unable to honor the invitation to go to the tourism office. Allegedly, he served as a chairman of the union's COMELEC to oversee the referendum conducted by the union on the same day. This afterthought excuse cannot justify his repeated failure to explain his side. What is stemming from the time he was first summoned to shed light on the complaint until he was dismissed from service on July 22, 1989. There was not a single denial or explanation which came from private respondent as to his complicity in the charges of theft. There is not a thread of evidence in the record to show that he exerted any effort to attend an investigation conducted.